Boys and girls. Alright, let's get up this and I'll explain some shit. Actually, I'll explain while we're going up. Step number 2 to make it to that other town. God, this road sucks right here. But yeah, tip number 2 to make it to that town. Last time there's too much snow. Hopefully this time a little different. Yep, hopefully not a whole lot of snow. Could be. I don't know how much recording I'm gonna get. Also looks like there's a big ass rain cloud coming in. Also, I really hope no problems occur because I accidentally broke my cell phone the other day. And that'd be really shitty to have problems or something. And I'm gonna crawl out of here. Woo, she's muddy. Woohoo! What do I do? What do I do? See, I've seen this right here full of snow, and then when you get to the top, it's not. And it was clear all the way around. Fuck me. Damn it. Start going through this creek. All good fun though, right? And just trying not to get my feet wet just in case something freaky happens. Don't want to freeze to death tonight. We're making it. Dang, that was some deep snow. Whew. Got me huffing and puffing a little bit. Get up here, see if you can even get around. Alright, time to take a look again. I made it quite a ways. Very nice, exciting. Well, I got out of the snow section. As you can see, it's starting to snow and hail. I know I can go that way and make it easily. But I'm not supposed to. It's a big no-no. Big ticket. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do. We'll turn the camera back on when I decide. Alright, it is hailing like crazy now. Damn. I better put my GoPro away or it gets destroyed. And my fucking goggles back on. Alrighty, guys. Until I figure out. Holy shit. Look at all that. I'm just so afraid that my GoPro is gonna get messed up. Woo! Look at all that. Just part of an adventure, right? It's better than sitting around at home. I guess I could be drinking a beer right now, though. Even though I'm getting hailed on, this is actually kind of peaceful. It's cool. And then it's starting to lighten up. Alright, I better turn this thing off. Tuck it away.